What's up, YouTube? Coming back at you with another one. Today I got something special. I'm gonna show you. I got some more pieces for the Chevelle. Slow progress is better than no progress. We still getting stuff done. Here and there when I can. Been busy, been crazy busy, but still be trying to get to it whenever I can. Shops are still busy. Shops still playing. Ain't accepting all these appointments. They got a long waiting list and they might hit you back, they might not, steady going through that. But we got a few things taken care of, and I'm gonna start revealing a little bit of that work, but right now I'm gonna show you what I got going on today. I got something I'm gonna let you check out. I got a custom console, and we got this thing done. It actually wasn't done for me, but one of my buddies, man, he did this for his Chevelle, and he decided to go a different route, which it looked great in his Chevelle. I'm gonna see if I can upload a picture of his because it was really nice. It looked real nice and it fit perfect. So I knew it fit perfect in mine when he posted it for sale, and I'm like, yeah, I gotta have it. We got lights on here, which I can't plug them up and show you right now, but I do. They on the side we got lights, we got the grill. I get my shifter gonna go right here. I just gotta put a little slice and cut it out. We got a nice USB. Double USB to get some charge going. We got a billet cup holder right there. And for some extra, this stuff ain't free, but we got a nice Pioneer. I believe this screen is damn, I don't want to say the wrong size, but I think it's 9-inch. It might be whatever. I'll put it in the description, whatever it really is. But it's a touch screen. It's nice. It's one of those floaters, that where it looks like everything just floating. So that's nice. So this was already in a Chevelle, so with the same setup like I got with the bucket seats and floor shifter. So it's already built to fit perfectly. So that'll be cool. Like all I gotta do is get this, for the floor shifter. That'll be perfect. And it's gonna come out nice, man. But we got the grills on the side. We're gonna get some nice speakers and get some sounds going. Like I got a little trick up my sleeve for the sound system, but that's gonna end up being nice also. But man, this is some nice strong build. There's some nice good wood. It's fitted nice. We got LEDs on both sides, which this all just gotta get wired in, and it's all plug and play basically. Everything already set up in here, man. I ain't gotta do nothing but sit it in there and go. And it's my man. Shout out to my man T White. Like I'm get you guys linked up with him if y'all need some work done, man. He do all type of custom interiors and sound systems, man. The man do great work. But this really nice, and he wrapped it up for me. Wrapped it for me black. He had it. His interior was orange, so he had a nice orange on there. But I told him I needed black, and my man got me together. He got it right for me. So this is perfect. Once again, shout out to T White over at White's Customs, man. But yeah, I just wanted to bring this and show you. We got a nice setup going. It's in motion. I already got the bucket seats wrapped. And I'm gonna get back at y'all and show y'all how this thing sit in there. I'm gonna go and just set it in there, get it fitted in, and go from there and see. We gonna see how it all look. Get it right. Excuse the mess in my crib in my living room, but I just had to show y'all how this looking, man. But yeah. YouTube, we on the way, man. I'm gonna get back with y'all and show y'all how it fit in this car and it had looks in there. Part 2 coming soon. Out.